Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. It was just a few days ago when Srila Prabhupada arrived in America. So we've come here this Sunday to honor that auspicious occasion and to gather here and remember our Guru Maharaj, our Guru Varga, especially our beloved Srila Prabhupada, without whose presence the Western countries would not have been uplifted by this Harinam Sankirtan movement. Golokera premadhan Harinama Sankirtana Ratina Janmilo Kenetai. Prabhupada came with Harinam Sankirtan, but that's not any ordinary commotion, any ordinary sound vibration. This Harinam Sankirtan actually also Sankirtan performed by those who don't have this prem does not have the power to affect the living entities, as Maharaj was speaking about. Rabindranath Tagore was saying it's very difficult it's one thing to speak sweet words, eloquent words, flowery words to people, and they can hear them and feel some nice sentiments. Our Gurudev would say, many people go to Ramayan performances and they're weep and weep. But afterwards they leave, they take intoxication, drink, engage in material, illicit sense gratification. They don't change. So also kirtan is many kinds, and many people do kirtan. But kirtan by someone that is able to change and transform the hearts of the living entities is very special and very rare. Even so many incarnations of the Lord come. But how many souls develop prem by that? Many incarnations come and they kill the demons, establish dharma. But who is developing Krishna prem? It's very rare. Even Krishna. Mahaprabhu came specifically with Golokera Premadan Harinama Sankirtan. The Sankirtan that Mahaprabhu brought has this Golokera Prem. The wealth of Prem of the spiritual realm, as you were talking about. That Goloka Vrindavan's Prem is infused within this Prem Nam Sankirtan. That's the speciality that Mahaprabhu gave. Sankirtan with Prem. And all of the Kripa Murtis, all of our Acharyas are the very embodiments of that Kripa of Krishna, and they are distributing that through this Krishna Prem Sankirtan, Prem Nam Sankirtan. And our Prabhupada, we see, without that Shakti, it is said in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishna Shakti Vina Nahi Tara Pravartana. Without Krishna's Shakti, you cannot preach and change even one living entity. This is one of the glorifications of Prabhupada, that our Acharyas would say, he has this Shakti of Sri Krishna. Pran Ache Jar Shahetu Prachar. Pran. But where is that Pran? Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada explains that Brajabasi Jan Pracharaka Jan. The Brajabasis, they are the preachers because they have life. Where is life coming from? Krishna Prem is real life. Prem dhana vina vyarta daridra jivan dhasa kuri vetan more deha prehad premadhan. Mahaprabhu said, "Oh Lord, please give me the wealth of your prem. Without that wealth of love, my life is completely void, useless, barren like a desert. So I'm praying to you, please make me your servant and give me the salary of your prem." Without that prem, one has no life. Shunyayatam jagat sarvam govinda virahena me. Mahaprabhu prayed, without love for Govinda, relation with Krishna, then everything in this world is barren and void, like a barren desert. And the Western countries was like that without our Prabhupada and Gurudev. Gurudev, when he first came in 1996, he said, I heard hearts crying because it was like a land that for a long time there had been no rain, like a desert, barren, and there had been no rain, and everyone was feeling dry, desiring this shower of ras, Prem Nam Sankirtan. So our Gurudev came, Srila Prabhupada came, and they infused the land with his Prem Nam. What do we sing? Elo Gora Rasa Nadi Kadambini Hai. Hoy. Gora Rasa Kadambini. The shower of compassion of Gauranga Mahaprabhu came in the form of our acharyas, and they showered down their mercy all over the world. Prithiviti ache jata nagaradi gram sarvatra prachar hoibe moranam. Mahaprabhu said, all over the world, in every town and village, Radha Krishna's names, Mahaprabhu's names, this path of Prem Nam, Sankirtan will be spread. So how empowered Prabhupada is that he is the one who is manifesting that through Mahaprabhu's desire in this world. And as our Gurudev would say, we should not think this is something that is coming at one point in time and then disappearing. Prabhupada is in the unbroken disciplic succession. This is another important thing. That Prabhupada is, even the name Prabhupada, the son gets the surname of the father. So Prabhupada is the son of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada. Therefore he has this title of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada. This is the disciplic succession. Srila Gokisha Das Babaji Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, Rup Sanatan, Raghunath, Jiva, Gopala, Bhatta, Dasa Raghunath. All of these acharyas together are present with Prabhupada. So we should not see them as separate. Jiva Goswami is also referred to as Prabhupada. Rupa Goswami is also referred to as Prabhupada. Why? Because that one personality who is Prabhupada is able to bring all the living entities to the lotus feet of Prabhu, Shri Krishna. Such a special power they have. Krishna Shakti Vina Nahi Tara Pravartana. If they are not Brajabasis, then they cannot change anyone's hearts. Rabindranath Tagore, not to criticize, wonderful poet. He's not a Brajabasi. Therefore, who did he change? Whose hearts were awakened with Krishna Prem by that poetry, by those songs? Desh Bhakti increased, but not Krishna Bhakti. But our Prabhupada, he is Brajabasi. Brajabasi Gan Pracharakajan. Without the Brajabasis, you cannot preach this Krishna Bhakti. It's not possible to change even one Atma. So our Prabhupada came, and we see from New York City, Pennsylvania, he was there also. Then from New York, San Francisco, Los Angeles, everywhere he established Brajapatan. Actually, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada in Mayapur established Brajapatan. This means a branch office of Brajadam. A resemblance where you can go there, it's like a prakosht, a department of Braj. Like we have embassies, Indian embassy. So many embassies here also, New York and other places. So this is wherever he established a center, this is a center of Brajadam, where the jivas can come and get training how to achieve their true Atma Dharma, the true spiritual potential as servant of Shri Radha Krishna. Gopi Bhartu Pada Kamalayor Dasa Dasa Anudasa. Becoming a servant of the servant of Shri Krishna, the beloved of the gopis. All these centers, all throughout the world that have sprung up, they are all the places where we can learn Radha Madhava Seva. Jai Radha Madhava Jai Kunja Vihari. Prabhupada, before every class he would sing Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunja Bihari, welcoming all souls into the service of Shri Radha Madhava Antaranga. But how did he do it? Gora Prema Rasarnave Setarange Jeva Duve Shri Radha Madhava Antaranga, Shri Radha Madhava Antaranga. Prabhupada didn't come alone. Who did he bring most prominently? Gaura-Nitai. Everywhere you go, you see Gaura-Nitai. On the Rath Yatras, you can see they would have 10-foot, 15-foot Mahaprabhu. New Vrindavan, big Mahaprabhu. Why? Because if you want to, many people also, worship Radha Krishna. Radha Krishna is from Dwarpa Yuga. They are always present, but if you don't take shelter of Mahaprabhu, you cannot serve Radha Krishna. And if you do not take shelter of Nitai, how can you get Radha Krishna Seva? Heno Nitai Vinay Bai Radha Krishna Pai Tenai Drida Kori Dharo Nitai Pai. Without taking shelter of Lord Nityananda, you cannot understand Mahaprabhu or Radha Krishna. So Prabhupada brought Gaura-Nitai and everywhere established Gaura-Nitai. And brought all the devotees into the shelter of Gaura-Nitai and taught them to sing Nitai Gauranga Jaya, Nitai Gauranga, Nitai Gauranga Jaya, Nitai Gauranga. Bola Nitai, 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 Nitai Gauranga, Nitai, 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 Nitai Gauranga. Gaur Nityananda, Panchatattva, Shri Advaita, Shrivas, Shrivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, all of the Panchatattva, all of the associates of Mahaprabhu, he brought everyone together was with Prabhupada. We shouldn't think Prabhupada is just alone doing everything. The power of the Acharya is that he is completely Taratma, completely one at heart with Sri Krishna, Sri Radha, Mahaprabhu, all the divine personalities. That's why Krishna says in the Bhagavatam, Acharya mam bijaniyam navamanyet harichit namartya buddha suyeta sarvadeva mayo guru. Guru, real guru, all of the devas, everyone resides within the heart of Guru. Therefore, he has this power, this Shakti, by which he can transform the hearts of the living entities. So we pray today to Srila Gurudev, Srila Prabhupada, and all our Guru Varga. We are present, very fortunate to be present in the Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya. This is a very great thing we are part of. Our Gurudev would say, some people would say, oh, you are not part of ISKCON, you cannot be in ISKCON. Leave, 1994. Gurudev said, how can you ban me from ISKCON? Brahma is a member of ISKCON. Prahlad is a member of ISKCON. ISKCON is eternal international society for Krishna consciousness. It is eternal. Don't try to limit it to your finite material understanding. Sanatana Dharma, eternal path. Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya. ISKCON also, it will say in the Wikipedia page, we are part of the Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya. Mahaprabhu, and Mahaprabhu also didn't just establish his own independent thing. Mahaprabhu said, we are part of the Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya. Brahma, who is Lord Brahma? The creator of the entire universe. So our founder of our Sampradaya, Swami Prabhupada, but he is in an unbroken disciplic succession where Lord Brahma is the founder. Who is Lord Brahma? The creator of the entire universe. So our lineage goes back to the very beginning of creation. And who is his guru? Krishna. Vande Krishnam Jagat Guru. So we should have this sense of gratitude for our entire parampara and realize that Prabhupada was sent by the entire parampara with all the parampara present with him, Gaur Nityananda Prabhu present with him. And our Gurudev was the same way. When Gurudev came in 1996, he came to New York. Yes, Prithiviti Ache. Not just Gurudev would say actually, wherever he went, he would say, I'm going to an island, there's Prabhupada. All the Guru Parampara, not alone. Prabhupada also established Guru Parampara, showing how we worship. Param Guru, Paratpar Guru, Parameshti Guru, 6 Goswamis, Panchatattva, Radha Krishna, everywhere. So this is very important. And wherever he went, he established. So when our Gurudev came in 96, he came here to Thompson Square, to New York, to Thompson Square Park. And he said, actually, what is my purpose for coming? Our Gurudev said, I want to take the dust from wherever Srila Prabhupada came, because like Maharaj said, Tirthi Kurvanti Tirthani Swayameva. All these places became holy places by the power of Srila Prabhupada, because he is there with everyone combined. All the Brajabasis, all those Prem Parishad, all the associates of Krishna who have so much love. So we're so fortunate. And Gurudev said, I've come to take that footdust of Prabhupada to honor all these places. And he said, I've also come here, being requested by him, but also specifically, Gaur Nityananda Prabhu called me here. Gurudev said, the first reason I've come is to honor the places that Prabhupada has gone. But then Prabhupada called me many times. In the beginning, the letters you can read, Prabhupada was saying, please come, please come. And then later on, again, when he would meet in Vrindavan, he would say, please come. Gurudev said, now I have so many responsibilities, Keshaji Gaudiya Math, all these other maths. I have to follow my Guru Maharaj's instruction. But the words of the Acharyas are truthful. Satya Sankalpa. So Gurudev said, because Prabhupada called me to come, I was bound to come. Therefore I have come. And he said, actually the real cause is that Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu have called me. So therefore I have come. So this is a very wonderful, wonderful Dharma, Sanatan Dharma, Gaudiya Vaishnava Sampradaya we're all part of. And we come together, perform Harinam Sankirtan, Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Shastri Koi, Lavamatra Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Siddhi Hoy. In the association of sadhus, we endeavor to perform Prem Nam Sankirtan, hear Harikatha, take Mahaprasad, and make our life divine and successful. Vanchakapadrivasya Kripasandhuvevcha Patidanam Pavanevyo Vaishnavevyo Srila Prabhupada ki, Srila Gurudeva ki, Gaur Nityananda Prabhu ki, Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.